A certain number of men went to a hotel. Each man spent as many rupees as one fourth of the men. If the total bill paid was 20,449, then how many men visited the hotel? Okay. Means if there are 10 men over there, and so each one will pay one fourth, so 2.5 rupees. If there are 100 men, then each one will pay 25 rupees. Okay. So let the number of men be x. So each spent how much? X upon 4. Okay. So total bill is what? X into x upon 4, right? Equals to x square upon 4. Now this bill x square upon 4 is equal to 20,449. So take this 4 on this side. So x square equals to 20,449 into 4. So that is 81,796. Now x square equals to 81,796. Find x. So square root of that. So by division method, always remember groups of 2 from right to left before the point and left to right after the point. So here there is no point. So right to left, and this 8 will have 0 8. So do it. 2 to the 4, then 4 over here, 48 8 za. Here it is 384. Then 33 remains, 96 down, 56, and now 3396. So 56 6 za. 3396, that is 0. How do you try? 56. How did I get this number 6? 33 upon 5 is 6. Try with 566. Similarly over here, 417, 48, 4 into 8. How did I get this number 8? 41 and 4. Just try with that. Nearest number, it is 10. So you will get roughly 9, 8, something like that. So this gives you the hint which number should you try. So 286 is the answer. It means x is 286. So what does it mean? What is x? Number of men visited. So it means 286 men visited the hotel. That is the required answer. Download Yoagro app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you will learn them within 3 months. Remember, these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for any competitive exam. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.